So here's Minga app, Create an Amazing School. So you can just tap Get to install it, double click to install it. Build your school community with Minga app, inspire engagement, improve communication, deliver and measure programs and curriculum. Minga is a better way to connect your school community. Minga is a dedicated school app that invites teachers, students, administrators, and parents to connect over school stories, events, and community good news. And it gives tools to share important stories about school community, promote events, RSVP and check into an event, share photos, comment and like other members' posts. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. When you start a new school year, that's the app you want to try out. And then where's your Minga? So it's available in Canada, US, and internationally. And then you can just sign in with Google, for example. But seems you need to sign in with your school account. So then you can also use Microsoft or sign in with Clever. You can just search for the school, for example. And then, then you just log in with your details.